Right, boys, watch that right side. Get it up. Got it. Sorry, Nat. It's alright. Don't matter. It's clear. It don't matter. Nice day for a stroll, isn't it, mate? Yeah. Come on, Fliss, have him. Go on, Dean. Don't be afraid, mate. Good lad. Keep going. Keep going, Dino. Behind you. Shot. Great. Come on, Dean. Also, you fat bastard. Oh, you fingerless. Watch that left side. Shot. Oh. Well, he's got. Let's go again. Right, come on, you sweaty bastard.
You've got something here, I don't know if it's a mic or what.
Oh yeah, it's a mic.
You want it? Or
yeah, can you pass it up and put it on me?
I thought it was a button.
Put it on somewhere.
Right,
put it on the bottom of my helmet or something, I don't know.
Is it alright on the...
Anywhere.
Alright, wrong way, there you go.
For some reason, they want to wear me yell expletives, you know what I mean? You're all a shower of shitheads.
Nice and loud, everyone.
Let's go, reset. What's the incoming shot? Next.
I thought it was if the intention we were about to go for it.
Right, boys, dump. They're going to be honest with shots here, boys. Oh, okay. Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Oh well. Oh dear, here we go again. Right, watch the play to centre. Yeah, I know. Don't even need to say a word. Oh dear. I think we could do with another keeper. Oh shit. Right, watch that hook in. Far left. Go on, Megs, make it yours. That's it. Play it out. Played Megs. Oh, I think I'll just pitch here and have a kick. Yep. Oh dear. Here we go. Let's see. Right, it's going to hook into the left. Shot. I knocked that in. Yeah, I know. I know. Mate, I am playing shit. Oh, no, no. I know. Should have realised I'd done fucking enough and made him go wide. But no, I had to knock it in. Oh. Play to centre. I've got 2 centre. It's all right, Toe. What is going on with us? Fucking hell, all they've got to do at this point is just put it in on me. Mic up the shit goalie if you want some fun. Oh, play Tyler. You know what? They could absolutely fucking rinse us here, but they're not. They're trying to develop players, and it's good to see. It's really good to see this. Really good to see. Quite a few times they could have had us here, Pete. I tell you. Quite a few. Doesn't help I'm playing absolute dog crap, you know what I mean? I see you up there with your camera judging. Yeah. You alright, Paul? Hello. Yeah. Here we go. No, cleared. Well done, mate. Go on, clear it, Fliss. Skates. That's it. Now play it left. Or hit the ref in the nuts. Woo! Should be a Freeman's goal, that. If you like a lot of chocolate on your biscuit, hit him in the nuts. Right. 2 in the centre, you've left him open. Well cut, Mark. If you hadn't got that, would have been stuffed. Go on, break. You've got a bit of time, Mark. Man coming front right. That's it. Yep. I should really swing round to the left. Sorry, Pete. Should really swing to the left. Hi, Max. I am having a shocker. Absolute shocker. Play in front.
I got it, I saved that one.
Well played, mate. Shot. Go on, Max. I stopped a puck. There you go. Let's just do that some more. Might actually find me rhythm today, who knows? Shot. Shite. Fucking hell, mate. Alright. Oh, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it?
I don't know, you saw that one.
I have my moments. Woo. Just let's continue a bit of Joshism. Good shout, Dean. Yeah, you've had your moment of glory now. Shot. Come on, boys, gotta keep moving. Oh, Can I just have a rest here? Nope. Tyler and Nate won't let me. Do you know what? Fair play, Tyler. Fair play. Oh, unlucky, mate. Push the pass across. Where is it? What? No, it didn't.
I ain't going.
No, it's after the whistle, my bad, sorry.
I know, because I knocked it in. Same again. Put inside. Good goal, Nate. There goes my save average. Come on, Dean, I hope you get a goal, mate. Yours, Megs. Oh, Megs.
Sorry, I dropped the stick.
Go on, Mayhem. Heads up. Come on, keep going, keep going.
Keep going. Oh well, 13 minutes of this shower shit's over. Oh dear. The power of figure skating compels you. Do-do-do. If you like a lot of chocolate on your biscuit, suck some nuts. Well, all I know is the right up on me ain't gonna be very fucking kind. Oh dear. Watch the pass across. Oh, John. Oh shit! I can't see. I'm stuck. Ah, fuck. Yeah.
Good job, Dad. Good job, Dad.
Fucking bastard. Oh. Good goal, Nate. Come on, boys.
Come on, Dad.
Come on, Tom.
I'll give it.
Come on, son. Oh, fuck my life. Oh, fuck me. Play across the centre. Out, Mark. That's it. Here we go. Incoming on the left. Incoming on the right. Oh, fuck it, I'm getting from everywhere. Fair play, Nate. Do you know what, mate? Hats off to you, lad. Oh! They know they could tear us apart here, but they're not. It's alright, Tony, move centre. That's it. Good hit, mate. Keep going, Toe. That's it. Well hooked. Well hooked, lad. Come here, you. Come here. Come here.
Oh, friends here.
Just about.
Yeah. You don't need them back.
No, not anymore. That was a good effort, mate. That.
Keep going. Keep going, come on, man.
Oh, it's 5 minutes to go and I want to go home. I'm tired and I want to go to bed. The Mayhem needs another keeper cause I'm shit. And my legs just feel like lead. Here comes Frenchie. In the wilderness, we see the red helmeted warrior trying to pass to a double amputee, but he can't quite master the art of the stick. He comes flooding in, but he's caught by the magic man as he realises his life choices aren't as dank as they once used to be. He's coming back in with the puck, looking to pass. Nope, he fucks it. Like a dank, majestic gazelle being chased by a lion, also known as Dean. You alright? Yeah? Dino's well frustrated. Yeah. No. Oh, get him back on. Shot. Can't see through traffic. I know. Go on, Dean, have a dig. Get on there, Dino. Yes, Dean. Good lad. Now they're just going to come at us full pelt and teach us the error of our ways. Yeah, but so much needs saying for Cardiff here, I'm telling you, because they could have just whitewashed us completely. But they're not going for that. I mean, look how Tyler comes in now. Setting up player on this left. Unless he's going to shoot. Yeah. Unlucky. What? I know. It's just they didn't go in. Yay! I know. I know. Can I go to sleep here?
You want a whiskey when we get in there?
Have you brought whiskey?
Fucking right.
Oh, good. Dean gets first sip. Dean gets first sip.
That's what we came for.
Yes. Just the one goal.
Yeah. Oh, that made me really.
Oh, mate, I feel shit. I tell you, I feel absolute wank.
Oh, I feel great.
Do you?